The maintenance costs for Tesla's new Cybertruck may raise eyebrows as pricing details for various components circulate online. Screenshots shared on Cybertruck Owners Club reveal the expenses, indicating that maintaining the distinctive electric pickup won't be cheap. For instance, the cost of replacing a Cybertruck windshield wiper blade and arm is $165, considerably higher than the Ford F-150's corresponding parts at $24 and $18. The windshield glass is listed at a hefty $1,900, and the front steering actuator, a crucial component, costs $3,300. While Tesla's side glass and left fender are relatively competitively priced, these details suggest the Cybertruck could be comparatively expensive to maintain, a factor potential buyers may need to consider. It's questionable whether early adopters will secure the listed maintenance prices for the Cybertruck, given the anticipated low supply, likely leading to markups. Additionally, the pricing details suggest that the side windows may not possess any extraordinary features compared to standard car windows, as their cost doesn't reflect enhanced toughness or unique characteristics. It's emphasized that these prices exclude paint costs, potentially reducing overall expenses for repairs. And that's all from me. Subscribe to Grand Garage 65 for more great content ahead.